Hey vlog, welcome back to the back.
Hey.
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 Hey boo boo. I want my senior jersey,
So-
but I ordered it Wednesday.
I'm an amateur.
I want it
sketcher.
now. What size did you get? I got a small,
Mm.
but I've heard they're like really small.
This is a men's small and it's small on me.
Yeah, like it's tiny.
That's a men's small.
Where did you get a men's?
Cause I thought that a men's small would be the in between a woman's small and medium, which is what I wanted. Cause I thought the jerseys were like oversized.
Yeah.
Because they usually
Kind
are.
of,
Mhm.
kind of.
So that's just L's.
What are you doing this weekend, Natalie?
This weekend,
3-day weekend.
Woo woo.
I have a date with this girl on Saturday night.
a date with a girl.
The girl who's sitting right next to you.
You going perfect pair.
Oh.
Shut up.
No.
Oh.
I'm not shipping. I'm not shipping.
Nibby.
That
was a Nina and you thing, but it's gonna be a you and me thing
I
now.
promise you, that's the own realization, not shipping.
Alexis, what are your plans?
Fuck man, I'm working on Saturday. My boyfriend's taking me somewhere today.
Mm.
Teach me how to
Do
dance
it.
at AZNA, at ASU. So
Ooh.
time to eat shit.
Alexis, do you know where Iris went though?
She's in that office or something.
Max.
He's trying to cat.
Mm.
That's his entire weekend.
That is his entire weekend.
Yeah, so you're just gonna steal your planner and then not give it back.
I think my life would fall apart.
Phoebe, what are your plans?
Going on a date with you.
Yay.
I'm going on a date with a boy next weekend.
Oh, really? Yes.
So, that's how we're chilling right now. Nicole, what are your plans this weekend? Alright,
Yeah.
we'll see you next week, Monday.
I'm gonna work and then I'm gonna stream on Twitch, twitch.tv/NicoNaneko.
You need to upload your screen so like.
Bye.